Para common pool used by all the residents. Can I go to the beach? Ako na siguro, init ra ba? Wala natin payong? Okay ra nimo? So look at the landscaping, sir. Mas high-end kayo.
Even the pavement.
Sa una kaya sa matong payag nga old ganin hato diri no?
Kani, o ka na.
Oo. Wala ni Dota diri. Naa pa lang ko eh. Million. Nagpalit man sa kukuno pero dili lang high-end.
Diba?
Di pa ko ka-afford nga. Ka-remember ko diri sa una nag-party man diri dako kay moon ba. Diri man ko sa una nag-picture.
Oh, awa, inani na siya karon.
Lagi. Kana man ang model, that's a model unit, the villa. And that's the building.
Yeah, this one is si tawag ano?
And this is the beach.
Kuan ni siya, low tide.
Low tide. So ang high tide, natabunan ang white sand.
Yes. I have the rocks.
Ang rocks ra. Paspasa sa panahon, no? Nakaanak mo ko din. Nakaanak mo ko din sa. Di pag bisita ako sa una kay wala ano gyud na diha kanang
Wala pa na, yuta pa na.
oh.
Manang ano sir, daghan mo salig ni Rockwell kay yuta pagod.
Ano man gyud si Rockwell good ilado. Ay dili ilado ka ng high end man gyud si Rockwell good.
So this is our beach. Kana mo continue pa mi og feel sa sand.
Mm.
I'm going pa na ang sand.
Asa tong marina gidayon ba tong marina? Ay ang katong
Temporary lang ni siya sir.
okay, katong dong kaanan.
Temporary pa na.
Watan ako diya mama.
Sige.
Kay init ra ba? Wala na laing sa kalan diri no? Kay puros man na villa diya no? At maato lang ko go sa kabila usa lang. So I am now in Aruga. This is the beach of Aruga. And that's the tower 1 of the Aruga. And all of there are stairs there. And all of those stairs are the access going to the villas of Aruga. And as you can see, there is a barrier there. Coming from that barrier is going here. It's about 270 meters wide of the beachfront of the Aruga. So currently this is already the beach front of the Aruga developed by Rockwell here in Punta Ingaño. And you can see the tower A of Aruga there and the land development of the hotel and the tower 2 of the Aruga. So the beach front is coming from this side here. Let's go. Let's go, ma'am.
For your reference, sir, the beachfront of Sheraton is 130
Yeah.
meters. So this is twice as big.
Guys, pero sa una kay dili man to siya 270 dapat, di ba ano ra siya gi-extend.
Extend siya.
Gi-extend siya kay 100 meters. Sakto ba ko?
So, mas nag-una pa kaana na ko diri sir.
Oo. Kay before magud kanimo. Nice kayo ni siya kabaski ka na pala sa una. Nice na kayo.
Times is barato. Okay.
Kuya barato ang pila pagud tong ano ang bila. Pila tong bila sa una ha? 40 kapin. Nya antod na abot og 80. 120. Let's go back na. Okay. This is the villa. So we can go inside the villa? Amo ba? Ah, okay. Anyway, this is owned by Rockwell man. No?
This is on the rock.
But it's not for sale pa.
Yes. Will not sell you, sir.
Oo. This is the villa.
Okay, you go.
Yeah, go ahead. Nakatin mo kung party dito sa una gud.
Pwede naman sunod. American coffee.
Ay, dili ako, ma'am. Ay, tubig lang, tubig. Palihog. Hello, Sir Max. I am with Ma'am Althea. She is the broker coordinator of Rockwell. So, we are now here on your specific unit and we want to show you the view of this. So, this is the view of your penthouse, Sir Max. This is your lap pool. You have this penthouse comes with the lap pool and that's the Sheraton. Actually, you have this very nice view of the ocean, sir. You can visibly see here the Cebu City, the buildings in Cebu City, and the villas in Sheraton. That's the villas in Sheraton and the residence of Sheraton. I will go down and I will show you the ocean. That's Ma'am Althea, by the way. And this is the view of your penthouse, Sir Max. You can see down below the greens of the area. This is about 5.2 square meter, 5.2 hectares, 5.2 hectares development, and that will be the development for the Aruga Hotel. That area there, and those are the villas that are sold already, and that's the 270 meters wide of white sand beach of this Sheraton, of this Aruga. That will be the second tower of the Aruga, no? This will be the hotel. And the pool will be there, the center pool. The center pool. Center pool, Aruga Hotel, Aruga second tower, and the villas. Yeah, this is the view of your penthouse, Sir Max. So I think so you have that view here and you have the view here. That's the what the island gani ang kada Olango Island, and after Olango is the Bohol. Bohol, no?
Yes.
Katong gamay na island, what is this? What is that? Part of Bohol na? Yeah, this is your open area of the penthouse. So I cannot take you inside, sir, because as I mentioned, as I told you, we are not allowed pa no to take video of the interior. However, sir, I tell you the interior is really nice. So we're not allowed yet because there are things pa inside. Pero not video. Yeah, I will go back later. So another view of your penthouse, sir, will be this one. Will be here. You have the view of the Sheraton. That's the Sheraton and the villa of the Sheraton. The unit that we are looking forward to buy actually is that unit below there. That's the model unit of Sheraton. And that's the Sheraton Hotel. So the Sheraton, you don't have the view of direct of the ocean view. And that's the Sheraton residences. And those are the buildings going to the Mactan Island. The reef is there. And buildings in the what do you call this? Mactan New Town. So you have another video here, another view here of the ocean. So yeah, this is your ocean view, Sir Max. And this one is the wall. Actually, that's already the wall of the building.
Floor.
So we are now on the 22nd floor, no?
22nd.
We are now on the 22nd floor, sir. That below there, maybe you will ask what is there. That's the 21st floor, and that's the swimming pool of the 21st floor. And this one here will be put, the Rockwell will put a double glazed glass. It will be wrapped around. So maybe you want to make it darker via putting it a tent. And this one is another unit, 2-bedroom unit. So this is the only penthouse. The other side is the penthouse also, but yeah. So that's the view. This is the view, sir, of your penthouse. That's the Amisa condominium by Robinsons, and that's the Dusitani. That's also a resort, and that's the Artera, and that's the Pearl, the Coral Point, one of the oldest condo resort here in Punta Engaño. And that's the villa. So that's it, sir. You have a really nice ocean view in this side and on the other side. Like you have ocean view there, and another ocean view there and there. And yeah, that's it, sir. That's it. Sir, that's the Ma'am Althea. So she wants to explain you the general or the grand plan of this Aruga.
So this is for Aruga Resort and Residences located in Punta Engaño in Mactan. This is where we are right now inside our function hall for your reference. So this right here would be our function hall, one of the amenities facing the swimming pool right outside. So for Aruga, this would be Tower 1. This entire building over here, this is Tower 1. It's composed of only 297 units. It's very low dense, averages at around 14 units to a floor. On the penthouse, we only have 3 units, with this one being the biggest unit, which is being offered to right now, MacR 22C. That is our 4-bedroom penthouse, with views of Magellan Bay over here and as well as our beachfront. So this entire thing would be residential Tower 1. In the middle, the entire building in the middle would be our hotel. So for the hotel, the target turnover would be by 2030, along with or simultaneous with our second residential tower. So for the second residential tower, this is also pre-selling, but it's selling pretty fast right now. We're at around 30% sold since we launched in public last April. And then the units that you see over here up front, these are our villas. So one of the main highlights for this property would be the beachfront. So this is 270 meters of white sand beach, which is very walkable from the both residential towers as well as the hotel. So that would be all. Thank you.
So where's the restaurant gani, ma'am? The high-end restaurant?
Here and then inside.
So there will be like 2 high-end restaurant.
Yes.
All the they can go inside man, no,
They can go inside.
So that will be the the hotel. It's really high-end. And here will be the central swimming pool, no? They can also use that.
But with payment.
The residents.
Yes.
Anyway, they have
they have
your
their own pool.
private pool man here.
Yes.
And I will bring you there later.
Yes.
And this is the white sand beach. 200, as Ma'am Althea mentioned, 270 meters. So that's it, sir. I will the point the penthouse day. So we are, as she said, we are now here, and this is the entrance of Aruga is there, no?
Yes.
And the entrance of hotel is here. So this is the Punta Engaño Road here, and this is the entrance of Aruga, and we go straight going. This is the entrance of Tower 1, di ba?
Yes, that's the.
And this one the entrance of the hotel.
Yes.
And the penthouse, your penthouse, which is the biggest penthouse, is this one. So this is the biggest penthouse, Sir Max. So if you see the video, there are 2 pools below. So these are the 2 pools. It's on the 21st floor. And you are on the 22nd floor. And this one is around 150
15
115
for the
meters.
outdoor deck. So inside, it's 292 square meters inside the actual unit, and then outside, that's an additional 115 square meters.
Which is,
So in total, this would be at around 400.
so he is not paying the 115, right?
He's not paying for the 150.
Even the pool.
Yes, that's
See,
right.
it's really a good ano. So that's it, Sir Max. So I will bring you to the pool. This is the pool used by the residents of the Tower 1. So we are now on the function room. We will bring you to the pool. Thank you, ma'am. And this is your pool. Ay, not your pool. Shangri-La Mactan. Welcome to Punta Inganyo. And that's the moving peak. Moving peak. And we are going to that area, Aruga. That's the moving peak. Moving peak. And this will be soon the Cebu Business Park of Punta Inganyo, the Sea Grove. So there are lots of development in that area. Abaca. Abaca Resort. Still ongoing construction. And the B Mactan. And beside the B is the Chatu by the sea. Chatu by the sea. And you have commercial area there. It's new. And this one is Palm Beach. Palm Beach. And here is the Sheraton. Beside Sheraton Cebu Mactan. And this is the Aruga. That's the Aruga. Aruga. And this is the Aruga. The Garden of Aruga. That's the Aruga building. We will park down there. Where we can park? Here or here there. Can we park here? This is the ground floor of the Aruga Tower 1, and look at the details of this. All of the area here on this ground floor are the amenities of the Aruga. Look at that small details, the interior, the designs, they are all high quality. Electrical room and 2 elevators and another sitting here, and that's the office area. I will bring you here sa gym. That's the male and female CR. This is the gym. And this one is the male wellness, like the sauna. You have sauna here and shower rooms, sauna and jacuzzi. And you have spa room here, spa room. and your gym. That's the gym.